Macy.
This tooth is really sensitive to cold. Like
Yeah.
it was like before.
Is it the one they've worked on?
Yeah.
The one that had that temporary filling?
No.
Oh. Annabelle! Hi. You clap. Can you girls clap your hands? Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. Trinity, can you so big? So big. Where are you going? Where are you going? You got bed head, huh? Bed hair. You say mom, mom, mom. You say mom, 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 mom.